In the path to becoming a trusted advisor, step 4 is the bridge that leads us from establishing trust to providing advice. And we achieve this in the way we contribute to, enhance, and provoke our clients' thinking. Our role as trusted advisors is determined by our ability to draw on our experience, expertise, and external vantage point to help reframe how our clients view their most critical problems or opportunities. So how can we be sure that our points of view actually provide an interesting enough perspective to engage our senior stakeholders? It's not sufficient to offer general industry observations or point to obvious trends that your stakeholders and even your competitors have already articulated. It's also unlikely to garner much attention if your points of view revolve around your own products and services and why your clients should be buying more of them. If it is to capture the imagination of your senior executives and provoke their thinking, your point has to be sharp. SHARP stands for significant in its scale and urgency to warrant your audience's attention. Hypothesis-based, to demonstrate you've considered possible causes and effects of your client's current approach. Actionable, so your client can see a clear and alternative choice they might make as a result of your point of view. Relevant to the client's context, as well as the remit and authority of the individual stakeholder with whom you're speaking. And finally, provocative, so you're shining a light on a blind spot that the client may have on this topic. A sharp point of view changes the client's frame of reference by helping them to see that instead of pursuing one route, they could be, or indeed should be, pursuing another. Successful provocation means that instead of asking our clients what keeps them up at night, we are invited to tell them what should be keeping them up at night. So let's run through an example of a sharp point of view. In the restaurant trade, one of the ways to measure staff dissatisfaction is to count the number of broken plates. If the trend shows a steady increase, this is an early indicator that the restaurant employees may be disgruntled or unhappy. Now, let's assume we are advisors and consultants in the catering industry, and one of our clients asks us whether we can help him to source plastic plates to replace their china plates. If we are in pure order-taking mode, we might tell them that we have a great offer on at the moment on the highest quality plastic plates and ask them how many they would like. Or we might consider ourselves very consultative and client-focused. So we start by asking what shape, size and color they would like their plates to be. Because after all our plastic plate solutions are bespoke and designed specifically to client requirements. However, if we really want to help a client make a more informed choice, we will need to offer a point of view to provoke the way they're looking at their problem. This starts with asking why they're looking to replace their china plates with plastic plates and determining whether any significant change had taken place before they started noticing an increase in the number of breakages. If the client reveals, for example, that their popular head chef resigned a year ago and that she has not been replaced, we might then offer our point of view. That the client is addressing the symptom, the breakages, rather than the cause, the head chef. And that moving to plastic plates will not only fail to fix their main issue, but it will also remove a key indicator of staff morale, which could lead to further negative and potentially less visible actions by employees, such as stolen cash or food, or worsening customer service. So the next time you're with a client, ask yourself, are you looking to sell plastic plates or help your client make a better choice?